Hey everybody, this is a video of a truck that I built years ago. This is actually a remastered video of one that I put up several years ago. In this video it had twin 87 Grand National turbos that I got from a couple of friends of mine. This was an extreme budget build. I mean, I used old used headers to build this thing. The two turbos, I had to rebuild the both of them, but I had less than a couple $100 in the both of them. Still ended up costing me about $1,500 for two wastegates, blow-off valve, all the other little trinkety ass bullshit things you got to put into one of these things. But anyway, I'll shut up now and let you watch the video. Oh, also there's a picture. This picture here is what it looked like when I got it from my brother. Actually, I bought this truck for like $250 from him, and as you can see how it looks now, even though under the hood now it's not twin turbo, it's got a big single on it, and we'll get into that later. But anyway, I'll shut the fuck up now and let you guys watch the video. This is an undisclosed location in the desert, kids.
Here they come.
Here they come. Here they come, bro. Can you see them?
Casey's got them by a few links.
That's my old ambulance siren. Got a little rev limiter there.
This way.
I'm back. They did the shots.
That's the video without any music this time. Hope you liked it. Thanks.